Ugh, my nails. Lipstick time.
Hey, no makeup allowed. Understood?
No, hey! Well, that was really rude.
Oh, don't worry. It's chill.
What? Not everything is as it seems. See? Can I try that?
No.
Okay. I'll make you one. It's actually easier than you'd think. Just gotta melt the balm. See? Now for your favorite lip color.
It's working already. Come to mama.
Just enough for an eraser. See? I have a mold for it. I can make a bunch at a time. Fill her up. And there you have it. Now for the perfect disguise. One side really is an eraser. Here. This is incredible! Feels nice too.
What is that?
What? My eraser?
Okay.
Phew, that was close. Candy time! Oh, I know. It's giving professional Betty. Big words mean big things for me, baby. Oh, are you kidding me? I was just getting started, too. I'm supposed to write with this? Yowza. That's a real bummer. Wait, my candy. Get it? I don't know. May I? Clever Claire is in the house. Prepare to be amazed. First step, done. Now I just have to draw some shapes. See? They look like blueberries. Perfect round blueberries. Just gotta color them in. Both of them, that is. Yeah, some little leaves, too. Then write the word milk. Trust me, it'll make sense at the end. This is about to be the coolest pen ever. See this part? Fold it down. Then cut out these little pieces. Now cut the entire thing in half. Almost. Perfect! Double-sided tape will keep this thing closed. Place a little rubber band here. Then it's onto the ink. Let's rock and roll! Emphasis on the rolling. Great! It's ready to go! Stick it right on in. Ta-da! Check it out. See? What? Is it candy? No way! A pen? Right you are. So cute, right? Yeah! Let me see. Look! It writes! Amazing! Thank you so much! Yep, I'm a genius.
Any little Einsteins want to take a stab at these? Let's see.
Oh no! Don't look at her!
How about you?
Huh? Just my luck. Good luck!
You'll be needing this.
Unfortunately, yes. Yo, what's the first one? You know?
Oh, what?
Come on! What? Just tell me! I guess I could show her. With this? Gotcha! I don't leave my friends hanging. I'm about to send Claire a lifeboat. And this one looks a lot like a cup. I can write the equations here. Now stack this cup on top of it. See? One equation at a time. Perfect! Psst, psst, over here! Huh? So thirsty. Uh-huh. Look at the board, okay? It's there, see? No way! It's genius! And so am I. Next one? Here you go! See it? Uh-huh. Got it. There! Hurry, hurry! Done! Yep. How did I do?
Not bad, not bad.
Thanks! Woohoo! Phew! I'm so nailing this whole art thing. Oh no! Oh, Oh, I guess I got a little too excited. I just need some brand new bristles. She won't feel a thing. Perfect! This'll keep them nice and snug. See? Now it just has to stick. Mission accomplished! Whoa, easy there. Wait a sec. Is that my hair? Oh, give it to me! Let go! It's my hair!
Enough, you two! I said enough!
My brush! What the… What are you drawing? Hold on a sec. All done. You like? It's okay, I guess.
Your pencil, Miss Betty. This sketch should be to your liking.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Oh, it's great. What? Yep. But do you have one of these? 'Cause I do. This is a trick you don't want to sleep on. One blue top coming right up. Followed by a turquoise bottom. But why stop there? Seafoam green, perhaps? And a sweet yellow, too. Wow! Now just a little bit on the bottom. Ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! My masterpiece! Have you ever seen anything more beautiful? She's so pretty. Oh, no way! Uh-oh. Stress hives. Or is it just my sequins? Of course! Sequins! Butler? Hello? Butler? No? Oh, must I do everything? Now we're talking. But before glitter comes prep. I need this part nice and sticky. Now let's make it rain. Gold on the right and silver on the left. Glitter mess. But underneath it all, glitter perfection, baby. Like it? Wow! Is that real gold, Betty? It's incredible! Yep, I know. So pretty. Well, mine is too, right? Did you enjoy these hacks? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out on the fun.